front of me is HTC Desire 20 Pro, and let me show you how to activate text-to-speech feature, how to personalize it. So first of all, just enter the settings, then find and select system, and here go to languages and input. Now go to the advanced and click on text-to-speech output right here. So here you've got all the options connected with this feature. At first you can change the language, so it can be either system language or you can pick some particular language from the list. So let me pick, for example, Portuguese, and we will hear the speech in Portuguese in just in a second. But at first let me change the speech rate and also pitch, then click on play.
Este é exemplo de síntese de voz em português.
So this is the Portuguese language. Then we can change speech rate again and also pitch.
Este é exemplo de síntese de voz em português.
Obviously we can pick system language right here, and let me reset it to default setup. Tap on play to check it.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
If you'd like to customize it a bit, I will just change the pitch and maybe I will speed it up a bit. Then tap on play.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And I like it this way, so let's go back. This is it. This is how you can customize text-to-speech output, how you can personalize the sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.